Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a beautiful, virtuous queen who was beloved by all her subjects. But because of her beauty and kind nature, she became an obsession of all who wished to make her theirs. The suitors were relentless. She became a hostage in her own kingdom, brought to her knees by forces armed with corruption and greed. Wars were waged, treachery was rampant. But this ruler was stronger than they thought, aiming herself with a will of steel and rallying her subjects to fight and resist every attack with more determination. She had finally had enough, and all those who threatened her sovereignty will be defeated. Her fight is far from over, but today she stands before the world as a symbol of what it means to never surrender.